When I read the information about it and all the elements that Kate curates for the SEO recipe for success, I sat there and remember thinking, this is what I didn't know, but so obviously need.
What makes this course better than all the rest when it comes to learning SEO? 2 reasons. 1, the content. 2, the support.
But I think when I got into SEO and I did your course, by the way, it was the most practical course that I've ever done.
At the end of this course, it's given me a great understanding of where I need to go, who I can hire to do what for me. It saved me thousands upon thousands of dollars that would otherwise have spent trying to sort this out. It's been brilliant.
Today I'm on page 1 and I'm taking business inquiries. It's great. It's an amazing course. It's cut up into easy to understand, digestible chunks, and so over the course of a couple of months, you will learn everything you need to know about SEO.
The best thing I ever did for my business was take this course. There are 2 things that have come out of this course that I absolutely love. First of all, my profit has 10-folded.
And the course was unbelievably good. I learned a lot. It was very, very easy to follow, very, very easy to do. I don't consider myself a tech head at all, and a lot of coding and things, quite honestly, often scares me. But I completed the course and I was very, very comfortable with everything I was doing.
Look, the price of Kate's courses is a consideration, but after you've started the course and once you get involved in doing it on your own site, the cost is insignificant.
Now have an SEO playbook, ensuring that we can be found online so we can connect with our ideal customers and grow our business. We have a great product and I'm really happy that we now have a new sales and marketing channel thanks to Kate.